morning everyone. Now you're watching breaking news which provide it lets new updates around the world with me, Kennia, Nayla, Putri. A volcano in Iceland has erupted for the fourth time in 3 months, with this being the most powerful so far. The eruption begins before 9:30 p.m. local time on Saturday and is ongoing, but scientists say it is likely to be petering out. National broadcaster RTVE said hundreds of visitors were evacuated from the Blue Lagoon thermal spa, one of Iceland's top tourist attractions, when the eruption began. The eruption site is a few kilometers northeast of Grindavik, a coastal town of 3,800 people, about 50 kilometers southwest of Iceland's capital, Reykjavik. Residents of Grindavik were told to leave their homes. Iceland's meteorological office says the eruption opened a fissure in earth about 3 km long between the mountains of Stora Skagafell and Hagafell. The Met Office said Sunday that lava was flowing south and southeast at about 1 km an hour and might reach the ocean. Defensive barriers have been built to stop it inundating the main road along the peninsula's southern coast. There are so far holding. The Grindavik community was previously evacuated in November following a series of earthquakes that opened large cracks in the earth between the town and Sællingarfell, a small mountain to the north. Before the recent eruption, the Svartsengi volcanic system north of Grindavik had been dormant for around 780 years. The volcano is just a few kilometers west of Fagradalsfjall Fall, which was dormant 6,000 years before flowering to life in March 2021. Well, that's all news I could present to you today. I'm Kennia, thank you for watching Breaking News and see you next time.